So the next footwear are these wedges. Uh, Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. I am Pragya. I hope you all are doing well at your homes and you all are safe at your homes. Please take all the precautions in your home due to COVID. Do not roam around here and there unnecessarily unless it is really necessary for you to go out. So today's video will all be about the types of shoes that every girl must have. So here I have shown you my most favorite pieces that I have, and as you all know, a right pair of footwear can make or break your whole look. So here I am going to show you some pieces that I have and will go with every kind of outfit, like if you are going to office or western outfits, casuals, traditional outfits, Indo-Western, boho look, etc. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So the first pair of shoe that I'll be showing you is actually not a shoe but a pair of flats. So आप तो सब जानते ही हो एक लड़की की जिंदगी में flats कितने importance रखते हैं, बस पैर डालो और कहीं भी निकल लो. So yes, these are the flats that I am going to show you. These are my current favorites. It has a really cute detail shown in this flats, like a bow is made, and it looks really cute when you wear it. I have been complimented many times for these flats, and these are my current favorites. So you can go and buy such kind of flats whenever you are going for shopping or somewhere. So these are the flats that I have purchased from Stilettos long time before, and let me tell you, मैंने इनको बहुत पहना है और ये अभी तक चल रहे हैं. इनकी क्वालिटी बिल्कुल भी खराब नहीं हुई है. As you can see, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट कंडीशन में है. एंड आई थिंक आई जस्ट ब्रॉट इट फॉर $700, एंड जस्ट फॉर $700 इट्स अ प्रीटी गुड डील. यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन दिस, एंड इन दिस like I have wear it so many times, yet nothing has been damaged in this. So yes, definitely you can go for it and purchase this from Stilettos. So the next footwear are these wedges in beige color. So let me tell you, these are super comfortable. You just need to put your legs in this and you're good to go anywhere. And these kind of wedges can go with any kind of outfit, like if you are going to office, or you are going to meet your friend, or you're going for a date, or you can go or you're wearing a traditional outfit. These are the wedges. They are like very common, and they can go with any one of the outfits, and you will not regret buying this. I think I just bought this for 450 rupees from Janpat Market in Lucknow, and they are very comfortable, let me tell you. So the third footwear are these kitten heels. As you can see, they are in grey color, and let me tell you, they are one of the most classy footwear that I have right now at the current moment, and one of my absolute favorites. So this I wear with my one of the most favorite dresses. I'll just put a picture and show you in this video. So these are very comfortable, and those girls who are not comfortable in wearing long pointed heels or block heels, they can go for these. They look very smart and casual at the same time, and they are super comfortable. So let me show you. This is how like it is. And these give a really bossy look. You can pair it with formals, pants, or blazers. So yes, these are my absolute favorites at the current time, and let me tell you, they do not give you any cheap look or something like that. They are very classy, and you can wear it with a blazer or a pantsuit they go with formals. Basically it gives a little bit boss lady kind of a look, and they are good to go with every kind of outfit. But basically I love wearing it with a blazer or a pant or a cute dress, and they have never, you know, disappointed me. They are very pretty heels, and you know, and I think I have brought these from Janpat Market again, just for 800 bucks, and they are in such good qualities. Till now I have wore them for so many times, yet they have not they are not damaged from anywhere. So yes, you can buy such kind of shoes. So the next footwear that I'll be showing you girls are these gorgeous red pumps, and I'm really proud of them. They make you stand out wherever you go. As you can see, they are very pretty, and you know, whenever I have worn them, they look absolute stunning. So this is really comfortable. Again, I have purchased these from Stelitos, and I think they were just of 1100 bucks, and they are very comfortable. Let me tell you, not 1100 bucks also. I think 900. Yes, they were of 900 bucks, and I think sale was going on. Then I have purchased these, and I have wore them with pantsuit and, you know, traditional outfit, kurta and pajama with dresses, and they look absolute stunning. So let me tell you, they are high heels, but since they are block heels, they are not comfortable. They are really comfortable. They will not make you uncomfortable anywhere. So आप इसे कोई भी पहन सकते हो ये. Girls जिनको pointed heels पहनने में problem होती है, वो definitely ये वाली heels ले सकते हैं from Stelitos, and they really are comfortable and they make you stand out. And I have wore them with traditional outfits, और pants के साथ पहना है, blazers के साथ पहना है, dresses के साथ पहना है, और सबके साथ ये heels बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And these are one of my favorite shoes, and you can definitely go for these pumps. So the next footwear are these beautiful blue velvet heels from Agio, and let me tell you, these are very pretty, and they are not really high heels. They are actually, you can say, medium heels, and very comfortable when you wear them. And it is one of my most favorite pieces at the current moment. I have wore them for traditional outfits or jeans or skirts or, you know, pants and suit, and they go with everything basically. So girls, you can grab it, and let me show you the quality as well. They are basically in velvet, and they give you a really classy look when you wear them, and they are absolutely comfortable. So you will not regret buying them. And I have purchased these from Agio just for 900 bucks. So with the quality wise, it's a thumbs up from my side. So another footwear are these white block heels, and let me tell you girls, these are one of my most favorite pieces, and it is like you know, you can pair it with any outfit. Basically I have wore them so many times. मैंने इसको बहुत पहना है, and these are from Agio, and they were just for about, I think, 1100 bucks. So the next pair of shoes are these white block heels, as you can see, and this is one of the most sturdy pieces that I have, and let me tell you, this is really comfortable, and you know, you can wear them for a long time and it is really pain free. You will not feel anything, girls. And this piece I have purchased from Ajio just for 1100 bucks, and for just for 1100 bucks I think it's a pretty good deal. It is such a universal piece that you can pair it with any, you know, outfit and you're good to go, since it's in white color. And you know, मैंने इनको बहुत पहना है तब भी इनकी क्वालिटी अभी तक नहीं खराब हुई है, and let me tell you, they are so comfortable to wear, and you know, you can wear it for long hours and yet you will be pain free. So yes, you can invest in these. And the next pair of shoe are these green or olives, a kind of block heels, and they are so beautiful heels, girls. Let me tell you, they are one of my most favorite footwear that I have at the current moment, and they will be always my favorites. So this is basically like this, you can see. That's a belt, and these buckle to knot, and it's so pretty. These are in olive colors, olive color, and again these are heels again. I have purchased from Ajio just for 1100 bucks, and they are so pretty and such a classy piece. Again, they are really pain free. You can wear them for long hours, yet you will not feel anything, and you can invest in these, and you can pair it with black dresses or grey dresses or green dresses or olive dresses or mehndi color traditional outfits, and you are good to go anywhere. And let me tell you, they are one of the most beautiful pieces I own. Every footwear collection must have a white sneakers. So let me show you these two pieces. These are the kind of sneakers that I own at the present time, and they are both very comfortable and they give you a very classy look, as well as you look very smart in these. So the first pair is this one. As you can see, it has a red stripe and a blue stripe going on the sides, and in front it is a yellow stripe, as you can see. So this is a very classy piece and you stand out wherever you go, and I really love white sneakers. I really believe that you can wear them with skirt or jeans or shorts and they make you really stand out, and they look very pretty at the same time. And I have purchased these from Myntra just for I think 800 rupees, and let me tell you, they are super comfortable. So go and grab them and do not let them go. And quality wise, it's a thumbs up from my side. अगर आपने मेरा वैक्सीन वाला ब्लॉग देखा होगा तो उसमें देखा होगा आपने, मैंने यही स्नीकर्स पहन रखे हैं, एंड दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड इट गिव्स यू अ सर्टेन लेंथ आल्सो, सो यू लुक टॉलर while wearing them. And again, these are from Myntra just for 800 rupees, and they look super comfortable and they are really, you know, they give you a really smart look. So yes, you should definitely go and grab them. So finally, we have come to the boots. So these are the brown boots that I have recently purchased. मैंने इन्हें अभी recently खरीदा है and मैंने इन्हें बस एक ही बार अभी तक पहना है, लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छा लुक देता है। और सबसे अच्छी बात है, मुझे जब तक फुटवेयर अच्छे से कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता है, मुझे उनको पहनने का मन भी नहीं करता है। तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है, आप ज़रूर इसमें इन्वेस्ट करिए। एंड दीज आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल एज यू कैन सी, और ज़्यादा इसमें हाइट भी नहीं है, सो ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल होते हैं वॉक करने में भी, और बहुत क्लासी लुक देते हैं एट द सेम टाइम। सो इट्स अ थम्स अप फ्रॉम माय साइड एंड आई परचेज दिस फ्रॉम Ajio just for 1500 bucks. So with the quality wise, it's a thumbs up from my side. और जो नेक्स्ट पेयर ऑफ बूट्स मैं ओन करती हूँ, उनको देख करके मुझे रोना आ जाता है, क्योंकि वो मैंने शीन से खरीदे थे और शीन अब बंद हो चुका है। सच में उसके बंद होने से ज़्यादा दुख किसी को भी नहीं हुआ है जितना मुझे हुआ। आई थिंक बहुत से लोगों को हुआ है। ये तो कहना बहुत गलत बात ही होगी, क्योंकि बहुत से ब्लॉगर्स एंड यूट्यूबर्स को मैंने रोते हुए देखा है शीन के बंद होने से। सिंस इट हैज सच क्लासी एंड ट्रेंडी लुक्स, पीसेस अवेलेबल विद इट। दीज आर द नी लेंथ boots, and these are in black colors and they look very comfortable. You can pair it with a short skirt or mini skirt, and with a fishnet stocking, और विंटर में पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है ये। और इसमें बिल्कुल भी ठंड नहीं लगती है आपको। तो जो गर्ल्स जिनको वो स्टॉकिंग्स पहनना पसंद नहीं है या लेगिंग पहनना नहीं पसंद है, दे कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन एंड यू विल नॉट रिग्रेट इट, लेट मी टेल यू। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि इसमें हील्स नहीं दे रखी है, नीचे से फ्लैट्स हैं, तो आप इनको लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन के लिए भी पहन सकते हो, कहीं भी जा सकते हो पहन करके, और इसमें ज़रा सी भी प्रॉब्लम आपको नहीं लगेगी पहनने में। एंड ये बहुत क्लासी लुक भी देता है एट द सेम टाइम, सो डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो फॉर इट। एंड आई थिंक ये मैंने 1600 और समथिंग 700 के अराउंड खरीदे थे, शीन से बहुत पहले लिए थे तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है, बट डेफिनेटली यू कैन गो फॉर देम एंड यू विल नॉट रिग्रेट बाइंग देम। So with this, we have come to the end of this video, guys. And if you want to buy these kind of shoes or footwear, जो इनका लिंक होगा वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया रहेगा। और अगर जो है मेरे पास लिंक नहीं भी होगा तो मैं इनसे सिमिलर पीसेस का लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, सो यू कैन गो एंड बाय देम। And please let me know that did you like this video or not, and the kind of footwear I have shown you in this video. And please guys, please like and subscribe my channel and comment in the comment section below. It is really important for me and it will mean a lot for me, guys. I know you all have a really big heart to showcase your love, and I'm really looking forward to that. So yes, with this I have come to the end of this video, and I'm really enjoying making these videos, and with time only I will improve making these videos. So yeah, I'll definitely come soon and meet you again in the next video. Follow me on Instagram. Bye bye guys, love you.